another way of saying things, and it was just so during the unveiling of Ensure Dreams Survey 2017 held at the St. Regis, Mumbai with Abbott Nutrition India that father and daughter Anil Kapoor and Rhea Kapoor along with Neena Gupta with daughter Masaba Gupta talked on the various aspects of just staying fit instead of striving to work with a six-pack or try to follow the footsteps of others around. Anil Kapoor, like the doting father he is, spoke on various topics with Rhea and both shared on marriages and how Rhea grew up.
My career and my fitness level, my father has never had... I think my father's biggest dream for me is that I have a six-pack. You know, I still remember I used to come back from college and I used to be like, Dad, like, this is my GPA. He used to look at me and he used to be like, just be fit, beta. Like there would be no, like I would come back and I used to rank in school and I was a full on, like I was studious and everything. There was no reaction at all. And kabhi aisa nahi hua ki, beta shadi kar lo, ya, never, not even once. I said, Dad, how do you feel? Like Sonam and I, like we're going to get married soon, I think. Like, it happens, right? I said, don't be so dated, beta. You're so outdated, you're so old-fashioned, And he's just never put any pressure. He just says work hard and just make a fantastic body. That's my father's major dream for me. So I feel like I'll think about fulfilling the
health is, health is the
six-pack part of it. I just love food.
Indian parents above 50 years of age lack strength to fulfill their dreams. A survey released by Abbott's Ensure states that 98% of parents living in metro cities have unfulfilled dreams. According to the Dream Survey released on Tuesday, 97% of the parents agreed that the improvement in strength will help them to fulfill their dreams and have a better quality of life. Actor Anil Kapoor said, rather than doing intense diets, people should give out at least 1.5 hours for themselves daily.
1.5 hour of your life, you should dedicate totally to yourself. Completely. Right. No wife, no mother, no father, no children, no work, no profession. That can wait. So when you give that 1.5 hour to yourself, mentally and physically, and that's what I've been following, that 1.5 hour, that gives me the positivity, the energy, the strength, everything to be nicer and from professionally, personally, as a parent. Because if I'm feeling good about myself, I can really give a lot.
Using constant solid diet can't help. Quick, healthy drinks can maintain the health. Lack of strength is not helpful anymore. It was an interesting insight and we hope more parents will follow the footsteps of Father Anil Kapoor.